I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
Welcome back, car enthusiasts! Oh, hello. Well, was I supposed to unbox this thing? 'Cause I don't know. This is, I don't know. Looks like a Swift to me, guys. Well, I guess it is the Swift. Alright, should I have unboxed this thing? Okay, guys. Well, welcome back, car wheelers. I mean, no, diecast fans, or no, car enthusiasts. Yes, welcome back, car enthusiasts. It's your boy DCS, right on the weekend. Okay, it's alright if it's on the weekend for you. I mean, I understand. So this time, we have a car from Senti Toys. This is none other than the Suzuki Swift, the hot hatch. Actually, it is a really good hot hatch, which almost is so underrated. Like, I really love the design of this. It's so cool, and I've actually got it with Senti Toys, and this is available in India, guys. So it's a really good car. I mean, it's not diecast, and it is door openable with the pullback action, but still, it's not diecast, so I guess I can call this the plastic cast. Okay, that's really ridiculous. Anyways, so, before we get into this car, I just want to tell you guys about the previous video which I uploaded. Of course, it is the real versus the fake Hot Wheels, guys. It was the 1932 Ford. Check it out if you really like comparison videos between real and the fake cars. Okay, so moving on to this completely unknown brand which I'm just recently got it. So yeah, this time we have the Swift, of course. Let's just take a look at the box, guys. Let's see what it got. So this is how the outside of the box looks, and it's pretty colorful. Yeah, that's how it attracted my eye. And it's in a good quality product by Senti Toys. You guys can see here, it's wearing Senti here. And it's a pretty nice one, guys. So here you can see the number of colors available in the same car. You have the blood red, you have the blue, you have the white. I really wish I got the white one, and the yellow one too. So here are the features of it. Front door openable, excellent body design, durable quality, and realistic alloy wheels. Yes, I guess that's true. And you guys can see the door openings right here. So yeah, let's just unbox it. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here we go. Looking good, guys. The Swift Sport is out of the box, and wow, what a color. Love the paint job of this, guys. It's so cool. The glitterish blue is really nice, and this is how it looks at the front. You have Boss written right here, and the India this thing, DL4C Boss. That's really nice. The headlamps aren't exactly like the Swifts, but I think this is a modified version. It's really cool, guys. And next comes the wheels. Yes, the chromish wheels, really love it. It actually has rubber tires, so that's a plus point, and the treads on this is so damn realistic. Love it. And here at the bottom, you can see here it's written Senti Toys, made in India. So yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. Even though it's not a diecast, it's really nice. But the interior gets an average point, because yeah, it's not so very well done, but it's okay. It's at least better. So yeah, this is how it looks at the back. Okay, so here you have Swift. I mean, no, it's Drift. And this is how it looks at the back, guys. It has that twin exhaust, so it's definitely the Swift Sport. And you have the rubber antenna right here, kind of funny. Well, it at least adds to the realisticness. So yeah, guys, that's a round look of this car, and this is how it looks with both doors open. That's also damn cool. So yeah guys, let's hear it now, the pullback action. Pretty damn rough. I really love the sound of it. Now talking about the info of this 3rd gen hot hatch Swift right here guys, the cool one from Suzuki, the most underrated one. So yeah guys, first let's talk about its engine. So yeah, there were many options in the engines guys, like trust me, so many options. So I've got it down to the base and the top one. So first talking about the base one, it's a 998 cubic inch booster jet engine, which is an inline 3-cylinder turbo, and it's called as the K10C engine. Whereas if you go for the top end, which is in the Swift Sport, it's a 1.3 liter booster jet inline 4 turbo guys. That's a K14C, and it's only available in the Swift Sport, which is this one right here. So talking about the transmission, again there was many options, but I got it down. So first you have the 5-speed manual, and there's also an option in automatic, and then comes to the 6-speed, which is in manual and as well as the automatic. So yeah, both manual and automatic in both 5th, 5 and 6 speed. Going for the top speed guys, yes, here it is. I really took a lot of time for this. So the K10C engine actually produces, it goes up to 190 kilometers per hour, which is 118 miles per hour. Not bad, but could have done better. Well, going for the K14C engine guys, that produces, it goes 210 kilometers per hour. That's 130 miles per hour. Not bad. That's a really good hot hatch number. Well, talking about the acceleration time, again for the K10C, it does it in 10 seconds, which is okay. And going for the K14C guys, that's 7.3 seconds. Again, wow. That's a really good number guys. Well, on to the horsepower guys. The horsepower in the K10C engine, it produces up to 109 horsepower, whereas in the K14C it's 138 horsepower. That's again a really good number. And yeah, now moving for the last part guys, that's the body style. Of course you guys know that. It's a 5-door hatchback. Well, there it is guys, that's the end of the info. Now going for its rating, so I have to give it a score right here. So it was really hard deciding because it was a really good hatch with a lot of details, and well, the info also was good, but I still give it an 8 out of 10 guys. I know I should have given it an 8.5 or a 9, but because it's not a die cast, I give it an 8 guys. So that's the end of the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please do share it with your car enthusiast friends who loves diecast. So yeah, do comment your opinion and ratings down below. I'll check them out, don't worry. And stay tuned every weekend for my videos guys. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned, bye, enjoy your weekend. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook guys. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.